here, this was a real life photo that somebody wanted to put on shirts, adult shirts and kids shirts. So we were able to take her high definition image and put it on a DTF transfer. So just remember, the more high definition the image is, the better the quality of printing will be. We've had a couple of people ask us, can you print out real photos? And you definitely can. So let's go up. I'm gonna go all the way up and then we'll come back. Look at this, look at this, look at this. All the way. Oh, look at that, guys. I love it, love it. So let's go back down here. So this brand here, if some of you watched our other videos, we had a kind of cultured brand that we converted his art into shirts. Well, this is his brother. This is his clothing brand. Hold on, our lighting. Oh, there it goes, perfect. His clothing brand here. So he was able to get few prints. We were able to fit some smaller ones in here. I'm gonna go ahead and link him down below, his Instagram, so you guys can follow him and buy some amazing, dope shirts. Look, he got some, here we go. Dun, 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 dun. I love this little panda bear here. All right, and this is another one of our clients that wanted to do real photos on their shirts. As long as the image is high definition, it comes out great. Look at that. This is real photos. Look at that. This one was not, actually it doesn't look bad, not too high definition, but still looks really good. So he got a few pages of those. Then we got a beautiful company, trying to make some company shirts. So we were able to vector file that image here, and she sent all of her images ready to go. We just had to vector one. We have Miss Ronnie. She is a returning customer. We appreciate her. We were able to hook up her page exactly how she wanted it there. She's patiently waiting for hers. And then this is also the dope clothing brand as well. So this is our order. The world's largest gang sheet in the house. That's crazy. Look how high definition everything is. I'm so excited. I'm gonna be shipping these out today. These are my favorite here. Those are so cool. Oh yeah, and this cutie patootie here.